It's raining again. The kind of rain that doesn't rush. It just stays, like a thought that refuses to leave. Each drop against the window feels familiar, as if the sky is whispering something I once knew, but forgot to listen to. There's a rhythm to it. Not a song, not quite silence either. Something in between. Like the heartbeat of the world trying to calm itself. I wonder how many people are listening right now, sitting beside a window, hands wrapped around a mug, thinking they're alone in this sound, when really, the rain connects us all. It falls on every rooftop, every open road, every memory. No judgment, no borders, only falling. Maybe that's what grace looks like. Water touching everything, without asking if it's worthy. When it rains, I feel time soften. The rush dissolves. The noise of the world turns quiet. And for a moment, it feels safe to just exist. The rain reminds me that healing doesn't always roar. Sometimes it drips. Slow, steady, patient. I've spent so much of my life waiting for the storm to pass, telling myself, when it's over, then I'll breathe, then I'll rest, then I'll live. But maybe the rain isn't the interruption. Maybe it's the invitation. Look closely. The world doesn't stop when it rains. It just slows down enough for us to notice it again. The trees lean closer. The streets shimmer. The air thickens with memory. Everything becomes visible. And I remember, I've been here before. This same window, this same sound, this same ache in my chest. But every time, the rain feels a little different, because I am different. The person I was last time it rained doesn't exist anymore. They've been washed away in 1,000 small downpours, each one teaching me how to let go. The rain never fights gravity. It doesn't resist falling. It knows the ground will catch it. What if we trusted life the way rain trusts the earth? What if we stopped clinging to clouds that can no longer hold us? Maybe peace isn't found in clearing skies, but in learning to love the falling. There's something holy about this sound. It carries both ending and beginning. It reminds the earth to breathe, and me to do the same. Sometimes I close my eyes and let the drops hit my face. Not to be dramatic, but to remember what being alive feels like. Cold, unexpected, real. Because that's what life is, isn't it? A collection of small moments that fall quietly, asking only to be felt. And when the rain stops, when the air turns still again, I don't rush to close the window. I listen to the echo it leaves behind. It sounds a lot like peace. So if it's raining where you are, don't run. Let it find you. Let it remind you. Because maybe, just maybe, you were never waiting for the rain. It was waiting for you.